Hi guys, so for today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make a pork and cider casserole in the slow cooker. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now we're going to take 2 tablespoonfuls of plain flour, just add them to a bowl and season that with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. To this then we're going to add 675 grams of pork that's been cut into bite-sized pieces, and we'll mix well, covering all the pork in the flour. Then we'll just set that to the side. Now we're over to our cooker and we're going to place a medium pan onto a medium heat, and we're going to add 1 tablespoonful of butter and 1 tablespoonful of olive oil. And once that warms up, then we're going to take 12 inches of peeled shallots and fry them just until they're beginning to brown. Now we'll remove these from the pan and we'll just set those to the side. So into the same pan we're going to add the floured pork, and we're just going to cook it until it's browned all over. You might have to do this in 2 batches depending on the size of your pan. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below so that we can connect for further videos. Now once that's browned off, we're going to take it over and we're going to add the pork into the slow cooker. Take the pan back over and we're going to deglaze it just with some of the cider that we use. Just give that a stir around, take up all the sediment off the bottom of the pan. This is all flavour. Now we'll just place the cider mix into the slow cooker. Now to this then we're going to add our cooked shallots, 2 chopped sticks of celery, 2 chopped carrots, 1 bay leaf, 2 tablespoonfuls of chopped sage, the rest of the cider, and then 150 milliliters of good quality chicken stock. Now we're just going to pop the lid on that, set it to a high heat, and then let it cook just for about 4 hours. So about halfway through the cooking time, or about 2 hours, we're just going to take a frying pan, add a tablespoonful of butter, add a tablespoonful of olive oil, and then 225 grams of chestnut mushrooms. Give those a stir around and we'll cook them until they're tender. Now once they're tender, we're going to season them with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. We'll take these over and then we'll just add them to the casserole. Give them a good stir around. At this stage you can check the casserole for seasoning. I just added some more salt and pepper to mine. And again we'll pop the lid on and just let that sit for 2 hours just to finish off the cooking. So after 2 hours, as you can see, our casserole is near ready to serve. Just give it a quick stir around. So just before we serving it, always remember to take out the bay leaf and just set that to the side. Now I like to serve my casserole in a bowl, topped with some freshly baked crusty bread, but you can have it with some mashed potatoes if you wish. So folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.